My name's Susan Olson, and I'm a physician here at Occupational Medicine at CVMC.
I am Sarah Britton. I'm a nurse practitioner with the Central Vermont Medical Center's Department of Occupational Medicine.
We see workers from all walks of life, nurses at the hospital to construction workers,
Secretaries with carpal tunnel type injuries.
truck drivers, waste management workers,
We see firefighters quite frequently who come in to get a full physical assessment.
any kind of minor to medium injury that occurs on the job, we're equipped to see. Where on your shoulder is the pain?
It hurts when I lift my arm too high. There's like a dull pain in there, and when I do work, it does hurt more.
We frequently see a lot of rotator cuff injuries, shoulder strains, wrist sprains and strains, back injuries, often lower back injuries from improper lifting or falls.
Lacerations, burn care.
And we pretty much do the whole kit and caboodle.
We follow them from start to finish, from the beginning of their injury till the completion of their recovery.
We monitor their injury during that entire time, and whatever they need, we'll take care of it. Our facility is brand new with brand new equipment.
Occupational medicine at CVMC provides workman's compensation care, pre-employment physicals, DOT truck driver physicals.
Direct access to CVMC diagnostic imaging.
We can do OSHA respirator clearances and physicals.
The patients love the pool. The pool is 92 degrees, and it is excellent for patients with knee injuries, back injuries. It's our own private oasis here at the Aquatic Center.
We see workman's compensation claims, and if an employer has an injured worker, we can often fit them in the same day, within 24 hours. We have on-site physical therapy, and so we work with our physical therapists. Since we're together in the same building, that really works well to maximize their improvement over a short period of time.
Why should they come here versus utilizing the ER? The simple fact of the matter is it's a financial benefit. We can get them in right away. If it's a relatively minor injury, such as a few stitches and a laceration, we can get them back to work probably the same day. Everybody comes in scared, and everybody has different fears. People fear that they're going to lose their jobs. People fear that they're going to be permanently injured for the rest of their lives. Regardless of anything else that's going on, this is the body you have to live with for the rest of your life. And that's the focus. That's our focus, is to get their body back in the best shape it can possibly be in so they can get back on the job.
Well, you're looking better.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, glad it worked out.
We're back in business.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
And it's very touching to see them go back to work. And I've had patients cry, and I've had patients hug me, and I want to be there for them and help get them back to where they need to be. In an ideal world, nobody would ever get hurt at work, but it does happen, and we want you to know that we are there for you.
And we would love to have you come see us.